Science is often portrayed as a deliberate journey of hypotheses, experiments, and careful reasoning. But some of the most transformative discoveries in human history emerged not from meticulous planning, but from unexpected accidents, moments where curiosity met chance, and the universe revealed secrets no one was looking for. These discoveries reshaped medicine, technology, physics, and everyday life, proving that progress is not always linear and that breakthroughs sometimes arrive disguised as mistakes. This journey, through 10 scientific discoveries made by accident, is not simply a celebration of serendipity. It is a reminder that the world rewards those who pay attention, who question the unexpected, and who recognize significance in the seemingly trivial. These stories reveal how the greatest leaps in knowledge often begin with a single moment of surprise. 10. The mold that saved millions. When Alexander Fleming returned to his laboratory after a vacation in the late 1920s, he noticed something unusual on a petri dish he had accidentally left uncovered. A patch of mold surrounded by a clear zone where bacteria had failed to grow. Instead of discarding the contaminated sample, Fleming examined it closely and realized that the mold, later identified as penicillium notatum, produced a substance capable of killing harmful bacteria. This chance observation led to the discovery of penicillin, the world's first true antibiotic, which would go on to save countless lives and revolutionize modern medicine. The discovery was not the result of a planned experiment, but of an open mind willing to investigate the unexpected. Fleming's curiosity transformed a simple laboratory accident into one of the most important medical breakthroughs in history, demonstrating how scientific progress often depends on the ability to recognize significance in the ordinary. Penicillin reshaped the treatment of infections, turning once deadly diseases into manageable conditions and ushering in a new era of healthcare. 9. The invisible rays that revealed the human body. In 1895, Wilhelm Röntgen was experimenting with cathode rays when he noticed that a fluorescent screen across the room began to glow, even though it was shielded from direct light. Intrigued, he placed various objects between the tube and the screen and discovered that the mysterious rays could pass through solid materials, revealing the shapes of bones and internal structures. These X-rays, as he called them, opened a new window into the human body and transformed the fields of medicine, physics, and imaging. Röntgen's discovery was entirely accidental, the result of a scientist willing to explore an anomaly rather than ignore it. His work demonstrated how unexpected observations can lead to profound insights, and the ability to see inside the human body without surgery revolutionized diagnosis and treatment. X-rays remain one of the most important tools in modern medicine, a testament to the power of curiosity and the value of investigating the unknown. 8. The chocolate bar that melted into history. During the 1940s, engineer Percy Spencer was working on radar technology when he noticed that a chocolate bar in his pocket had melted unexpectedly while he stood near an active magnetron. Curious about the phenomenon, he placed popcorn kernels near the device and watched them pop, realizing that microwaves could heat food quickly and efficiently. This accidental discovery led to the invention of the microwave oven, a device that would transform kitchens around the world and redefine the way people cook. Spencer's willingness to test a strange observation turned a military technology into a household appliance, demonstrating how scientific breakthroughs often emerge from the intersection of different fields. The microwave oven became one of the most widely adopted inventions of the 20th century, proving that even the smallest accidents can spark innovations that reshape everyday life. 7. The heartbeat that changed medicine. In the 1950s, engineer Wilson Greatbatch was building a device to record heart rhythms when he accidentally inserted the wrong resistor, causing the circuit to emit a steady electrical pulse instead of recording one. Realizing that the pulse resembled the rhythm of a human heartbeat, Greatbatch understood that he had stumbled upon a potential solution for patients with irregular heart rhythms. This mistake led to the development of the implantable pacemaker, a device that has saved millions of lives by regulating cardiac function. Greatbatch's discovery illustrates how errors can become breakthroughs when approached with insight and imagination. His accidental invention transformed cardiology, offering a lifeline to patients with heart conditions and demonstrating how innovation often arises from unexpected moments. The pacemaker remains one of the most important medical devices ever created, a testament to the power of serendipity in scientific progress. 6. The rubber that bounced back from disaster. Charles Goodyear spent years trying to improve natural rubber, which was sticky in heat and brittle in cold, making it unreliable for practical use. One day, he accidentally dropped a mixture of rubber and sulfur onto a hot stove, and instead of melting into a mess, the material hardened into a durable, elastic substance. This process, later known as vulcanization, transformed rubber into a stable and versatile material that could withstand extreme temperatures and heavy use. Goodyear's accidental discovery revolutionized industries from transportation to manufacturing, enabling the creation of tires, hoses, and countless other products. His persistence, combined with a moment of chance, turned a frustrating experiment into a breakthrough that reshaped the modern world. Vulcanized rubber remains essential to daily life, proving that even the most stubborn problems can yield to unexpected solutions. 5. The glass that refused to shatter. In the early 20th century, French chemist Edouard Benedictus accidentally dropped a glass flask coated with a thin film of dried nitrocellulose, expecting it to shatter upon impact. To his surprise, the glass cracked, but did not break apart, held together by the invisible layer inside. This unexpected result inspired him to develop safety glass, a material that would become essential in car windshields, protective equipment, and countless applications where durability and safety are critical. Benedictus's discovery highlights how accidents can reveal new possibilities when approached with curiosity and creativity. Safety glass has saved countless lives by preventing injuries from shattered glass, and its invention demonstrates how simple observations can lead to innovations that protect and transform society. The story of safety glass is a reminder that progress often begins with a single unexpected moment. 4. The substance that refused to react. In 1938, chemist Roy Plunkett was experimenting with refrigerants when he opened a pressurized cylinder that should have been empty, only to find it filled with a slippery white powder. The substance, later named Teflon, was incredibly resistant to heat, chemicals, and friction, making it one of the most versatile materials ever discovered. Its unique properties led to applications in cookware, aerospace, electronics, and countless other fields. Plunkett's accidental discovery demonstrates how scientific breakthroughs can emerge from unexpected results, and how materials with unusual properties can reshape entire industries. Teflon's non-stick qualities and durability made it a household name, while its industrial uses transformed manufacturing and engineering. The discovery remains a powerful example of how chance can lead to extraordinary innovation. 3. The dog that revealed a hormone. In the early 20th century, researchers studying the pancreas accidentally damaged a dog's organ in a way that caused severe changes in its blood sugar levels. This unexpected result led scientists to investigate the connection between the pancreas and glucose regulation, ultimately leading to the discovery of insulin. The hormone became a life-saving treatment for diabetes, transforming a once fatal disease into a manageable condition. The discovery of insulin illustrates how accidents in the laboratory can reveal hidden mechanisms of the human body, and how careful observation can turn mistakes into breakthroughs. Insulin remains one of the most important medical discoveries in history, saving millions of lives and reshaping the field of endocrinology. The story is a reminder that scientific progress often emerges from unexpected paths. 2. The noise that came from the beginning of time. In the 1960s, two radio engineers were trying to eliminate a persistent background noise from their antenna, believing it was caused by interference, equipment issues, or even birds nesting inside the device. After exhausting every explanation, they realized that the noise was not a flaw, but a signal, the faint echo of the Big Bang, known as the cosmic microwave background radiation. This accidental discovery provided crucial evidence for the origin of the universe and transformed modern cosmology. The realization that a seemingly annoying noise was actually a message from the dawn of time demonstrates how scientific breakthroughs can emerge from the most unexpected sources. The discovery reshaped our understanding of the cosmos, offering a glimpse into the earliest moments of existence and proving that the universe still whispers its secrets to those who listen carefully. 1. The glue that wasn't sticky enough. In the 1970s, a chemist attempting to create a strong adhesive accidentally produced a weak, pressure-sensitive glue that barely stuck to anything. Initially considered a failure, the substance found new purpose when another scientist realized it could be used to create repositionable notes that adhered lightly to surfaces without leaving residue. This accidental invention became the Post-it note, a simple yet revolutionary product that transformed offices, classrooms, and daily life around the world. The story of the Post-it note illustrates how failed experiments can lead to unexpected success when viewed from a different perspective. The invention became a global phenomenon, proving that innovation does not always require perfection. Sometimes it requires recognizing value in what others overlook. The Post-it note remains a symbol of creativity, adaptability, and the power of accidental discovery. These 10 accidental discoveries reveal that science is not only a discipline of precision and logic, but also a field shaped by curiosity, intuition, and the willingness to explore the unexpected. They remind us that breakthroughs can emerge from mistakes, surprises, and moments of chance, and that the future often belongs to those who remain open to the unknown. By embracing the unexpected, scientists have transformed the world in ways that continue to shape our lives, proving that even accidents can lead to extraordinary progress.